Good morning. Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are fine by the grace of Allah Almighty. So, let's start the day with the name of Allah. It's recitation time, so fold your arms. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In the name of Allah, most gracious, most merciful. First kalma tayyab. Tayyab means purity. La ilaha illallahu Muhammadur Rasulullah. There is no God but Allah, and Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him, is his prophet. Dua of safety. Fallahu khairun hafizun wa huwa arhamur rahimin. Jazakallah. Surah Ikhlas. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Qul huwallahu ahad. Allahus samad. Lam yalid wa lam yulad wa lam yakul lahu kufuwan ahad. Today is Friday, 27 November 2020. It's Friday, 27 November 2020. And this is our English time. English time. Which time is this? English time. Sing the song with me. Abacada, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, Abaqus, Ta, Wax, Ya, Z, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time, won't you sing with me? Okay children, this is our today's lesson. We are going to reinforce letter O. O, 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 O. And these are the friends of letter O. O, O, orange. O, O, orange. Orange is the winter fruit. O, O, oval. O, O, oval. Oval looks like an egg. Oh, owl. Oh, owl. It has the big eyes. And they don't sleep at night. Onion. Onion. Onion is a vegetable. Oh, octopus. Octopus. You know, octopus has 8 legs. And this is the sea animal. Oh, ostrich. Oh, ostrich. Ostrich is a bird. It has long neck, long legs. But ostrich can't fly. Okay children, let's start our today's work. Open your notebooks. You are supposed to write the day. Today is Friday, so you will write the day like this. F R I D A Y. It's Friday and the date is 27 November 2020. 27 November 2020. Now this is letter A. Put your pencil on the dot. Touch the line number 2. Make a nice round curve. Touch the baseline. Go up again. Touch the dot. Look. Do it again. Make a nice O. Once more. You have to complete this page. Okay? And here we have the friend of letter O, that is a onion. A onion. Join the dots of onion. Make a nice onion and color it. Okay? You have to color it after making the onion. I am using pink color. You can use pink, light purple. Okay? So this is your today's task. Wow, lovely onion. Okay? So write neatly letter O, your day and the date.
Can you make the letter sounds? We can show you how. What letter shall we learn? Let's find out now. Let's learn about the letter O. This is a capital O. This is a lowercase o. You know how the O looks now. Let's make the letter O sound. O, 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 O. O, 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 O. Yeah! O is for ostrich. O is for orange. O is for octopus. O is for ox. O is for old. O is for otter. You know some O words now. Let's make the letter O sound. O, 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 O. O, 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 O. Your turn.
Okay children, that's all for today. It's time to say goodbye. Allah Hafiz. Stay safe, stay healthy and be always blooming like beautiful flowers. Bye bye, goodbye.